In this video, I will show you how to uninstall and delete apps on your Roku TV. Now to do this, you want to come over to the remote of your Roku TV and then you just want to go ahead and press on the home button, so you will be taken to the home from wherever you are. Now from the home, you just want to scroll horizontally to the right hand side, just like so, and then you want to go ahead and highlight the particular app you want to uninstall from your Roku TV. So you want to scroll down and then just select any app. In my case, I'll go ahead and uninstall the TuneIn app over here. Now once you highlight the app, you want to come over to the options button on your remote control. So go ahead and press the button with the star icon, which is basically this button over here, and automatically your Roku TV is going to give you options for this particular app. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down and then select remove channel and then click on remove, and now this particular app will be removed from your Roku TV. So basically, that is how to uninstall and delete apps from your Roku TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.